This is carrot juice. My cousin told me to drink this carrot juice. It's been many years I haven't seen her. And my other cousin reconnected me with my other cousin. Thank you. Guys, right now the time is 3 o'clock in the morning and I cannot sleep. After reconnecting with her, anyways, I told her I have a problem. I have a pain on my shoulder blade and my arm. Guess what she said? She said I should drink carrot juice. And she explained that carrot juice is antioxidant. So yesterday I went to just noise. I went to buy this juice, carrot juice. I hope it will neutralize any harmful free radicals in my body. I can't sleep, guys. Oh gosh, can't sleep. God. Now I hope, cause that after drinking this juice here, the inflammation around my muscles here will be gone. I guess the carrot juice will manage the muscles across my body. I think carrots are the great source of vitamin A. And I think carrots also will maintain my skin and my eyes. I need to improve is my muscles around here, the tissue, the soft tissue, because my soft tissue here, my muscles are now hard on the right side, and then on the left side they are quite soft. It's a muscle pull, whatever the case, the way I was sleeping. So from this carrot juice, I'll perhaps get the immune from it, the immune function. Human being needs like electrolytes, balance in your body. I want my muscles tissue to be repaired again. Vitamin C, vitamin K, and the potassium. Oh my God, the noise is just too hard. Noise pollution is increasing my stress level right now. My muscle pain, my muscle tension. The noise is causing discomfort and more muscle tension. The noise pollution is causing and disrupting my sleeping patterns. These tissues, I'm using them to block the noise pollution, but they cannot block out significant levels of noise pollution so far. Look at them, they're too soft. Be used as earplugs to block the sound. As a result, they cannot. This is not comfortable. I've been exposed to the noise pollution, disturbances, and disruptions right now. I'm trying to use this tissue as a earplug to block the noise from the, as you can hear, it's at night, I can't sleep. And these tissues acting as an earplug, they are irritating me and they cannot cancel the noise pollution from outside. They're not hygienic. They're leaving particles in my ear canal. They are worsening the sensational pain on my shoulder. They're not comfortable. They cannot even fit properly. I would need to buy earplugs that will cancel all this noise when I'm sleeping. This is too much. Breathe in. The noise pollution is really causing physiological and psychological stress, even sociological stress, honestly. Noise pollution is causing the stress hormones, limited sleeping durations, my heart rate, and my blood pressure, and the pain. Everything is just getting worse because of that noise pollution coming from there. It's late. I need to sleep. Listen to that. My head is no longer straight like this. My head is slouching like this now. Because of that, I'm gonna need to use the power of mind to forget about this pain. I'm gonna use my mind. I have no pain. I have no pain. I have no pain on my shoulder. I have no pain. I have no pain on my neck. I have no pain on my shoulder blade. The pain is gone. I'm gonna sleep now.